Hey guys, Michael here. Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today is Friday, so we're doing another Is It Worth It? This is the Super FX app. So this thing is basically a app that is, super cool if you're into this sort of animation, and it basically takes a lot of the work out. I learned how to do this in advanced video editing applications like After Effects and Resolve, but now you can do it in a mobile app because, well, technology. So as you can see here, these are people's entries. In the app, you can actually basically publicly post your own so people can check it out. So if we were to go in and check out one of these, we can see the effects that she used and the different timings and all that. It's pretty cool. So in the world of TikTok and everything, this is awesome. So we're going to start our free trial here. You can see that in that you basically get a 1 week, 1 year, or a one-time purchase. So you can see those different purchasing options. If you think you're going to use this a lot, honestly, the one-time purchase obviously is the best value by far. This kind of very weird pricing that is essentially pushing people towards the one-time purchase, but they're smart for having multiple options, including this one, which, be careful, it's not a 1 week trial. It's a 1 week for $10, but it's a 3-day trial. So that's what we're going to start here. So 3-day trial. Now with that out of the way, we have access to this stuff. So again, we can see different people's posts, what they're using and all that. It's super cool. So if I go over to edit here, and I don't have any cool dance moves, so I'm going to use this video of my son here, basically just starting to try to walk, and we'll see how this goes. So basically you can trim the video if you don't want to use all of it, and so maybe I just want to use this first little part here. Say next, it will go through and trim that down. And so now we can go in and start doing stickers. So I'm going to say, sure, I like that one. And then right now I'm pinching to zoom in basically. And then you're choosing the duration of this effect. So I can make it shorter or longer. You can move it around. You can sketch on it. Cool neon lines here. And again, you can choose how long that goes for. Now what's cool is if I wanted to make an edit for this, if I didn't like these lines, then basically when you're on that specific frame, you can tap on it, you can move it, you can hit the little edit button, and then I can actually go in and move the lines myself. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to hit save on that. Of course, you can add text, and you can go in and change the font types. You can change the color. And of course, you can drag to resize and reposition. And just like anything else, you can layer on top. So that's pretty cool that you can have multiple layers of stuff. And then of course, you have filters. So you can do a little ghost thing. So you can go pretty in depth with this. Obviously, it takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of skill to play around with. This looks terrible, but if you were to actually take your time on it, you could get some really cool effects like the people on top. If I wanted to save this, of course, I would just hit save in the top left and allow it to download it to my phone, post it to Instagram, TikTok, wherever you wanted to post it. And then you'd have a pretty cool video, just like all these people here on the front page. So if you guys are into this, definitely check it out in the description down below. Comment if you also know how to do this in After Effects, Resolve, or any advanced type stuff, and you think it's interesting that's now in a mobile app. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys Monday for another Apps Every Day.